Hey guys, it's Irene here, the Black Hiking Queen, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am doing a quick 1 month update on my vlogs. It's been a really great month actually, and I just really love having these, you guys, and my only regret is not getting them sooner. I actually just got my 5-week retie. This has actually been my very first retie. If you don't know what a retie is, whenever you get Microlocs, you have to go back in and get it retightened every usually 4 to 6 weeks. So I went in for my first retie today, and this is what my hair looks like right now, literally right after the retie. You can kind of see it looks a little tight right here. But I love the way it looks. After the retie, I feel like the curls just are popping even more. My retie was really quick. It was only 2 hours, which was fast. This is the current state of my locks, and I really love them. I can't say that enough, but I love these locks. And every time I come from like getting my hair done, like the first time, I just want to shake my head. The number one question that I have been getting is mainly like, do I regret getting locks? And the answer is absolutely not. Do y'all see how beautiful these locks are though? Like, look at this. How could I regret this? Like, this is just so beautiful, and it's one of the best decisions that I have made for sure. I did have some questions about the locks, so I'm gonna take a few minutes to answer those. I have my phone here just so I don't miss any questions. First one is, are they permanent? Yes, these are permanent-ish. I mean, it's locks, so basically like it's taking my hair and locking it inside of itself. I don't know how to describe it better, but yes, this is permanent. I've heard that like early on, these can be combed out, but it would take like days probably to do it. So in that case, I probably would just like want to cut my hair and just start all over. But yes, these are permanent. The next question is, why did I get Microlocs instead of sister locks? I got Microlocs just because I honestly think they look cuter. That's literally my only reason. I didn't honestly know that much about locks before I made my decision to get them. So I honestly like just decided to get them because I saw this video, this lady with her hair, and it was so cute. And I was like, I want those. And then I did do a little bit of research after the fact, but I just wanted Microlocs because I think they're so cute. The next question is, how long did it take to install? It took 2 days for me, and both days were 8-hour days. I think we took like a lunch break in between. You can go back and watch my first video. I think I talk about the installation process in that first video as well, but yeah, it took 2 days to get them installed. What technique and grid did they use? So my loctician, Denise, shout out to Denise, she is amazing, but she did the interlocking method, and I am not a loctician, so I do not have all the answers about the specifics of locks, but I know that it is the interlocking method that was used. How often can you wash your hair? You can actually wash your hair as often as you want, kind of. There isn't really a set amount of, I guess, days or time that has to go in between your wash days. I wash my hair at least once a week, but that's because I live a very active lifestyle. Like, I work out at least 4 times a week. So you can only imagine, like, with the sweat and everything, like, I have to wash my hair. There have been times where I washed my hair like within 3 days just because I had something to do or somewhere to go and I just wanted my hair to be clean. When I go camping, of course, right after, like after my camping trip in Colorado, as soon as I got back, I had to wash my hair because it smelled like campfire and just, you know, the outdoors. So it just kind of depends on your lifestyle, to be honest. If you don't live a very active lifestyle, like if I was not working out as much as I do right now, I probably wouldn't wash my hair like every week. It'd probably be like every 2 weeks. My wash day routine is very simple. I actually just braid and band my hair. I'll probably drop some pictures here so you can see like what that looks like, but I basically braid and band the hair at night, and then when I wake up in the morning, I go work out, and then after I work out, that's when I'll undo the braid or the braid and the band. I don't know why I can't say that, but that's when I will undo it, and that's actually what has made my hair just stay really curly, especially when I braid and band and then wash it and then take it out the next day. It's extremely curly. So I actually washed my hair yesterday, and when I took it out this morning, it was very curly. I actually prefer to braid and band my hair when I go to sleep. It just feels more protected in a way, so that's what I've been doing. Braiding and banding, and then putting like a scarf, head scarf that I sleep with over my hair. And I think that just has helped just keep it all together. I've been on a couple trips since getting my locks, and actually like it has gave me no issues. I've been camping already with my locks. I've been hiking. I don't braid and band when I go hiking just because I want to take pictures with my locks. But whenever I was camping in Colorado, I actually did braid and band when I went to sleep at night. So that's honestly kind of been my routine. It's really easy and my hair looks really cute, actually. Do I use conditioner in my hair? No, I do not. Like my loctician said, do not put any products in your hair. The only thing you need is shampoo, because our hair and our head naturally produces a lot of oils. With locks, you don't really want to use any other products except shampoo, especially the very beginning. Right now, all I use is shampoo, literally. Maybe I should go get the shampoo and show y'all which one I use, because that's it. So this is the shampoo that I have been using. It's For You by Tia. Hopefully y'all can see it. But that's been it. It actually has been working very well for my hair. One thing that I was afraid of was that because I wouldn't be using conditioners, that my hair would all of a sudden be extremely dry and my scalp would be dry. But it's actually been quite the opposite. It's not as dry as I thought it would be, and it's been great, actually. Maybe one of these days I'll do a wash routine video. That's a good idea. I'll probably do that. But that's kind of been my routine. It's so easy. The wash process is easy. And then I realized that my hair dries so much faster in the locks for some reason. I feel like when my hair wasn't locked and like I washed it, it would take forever to dry. But with the locks, it dries really quickly. And it also is what gives me these beautiful curls. I think those are all the questions that I wanted to answer in this video. So far, so good. I love my locks and I don't regret getting them at all. If you're thinking about getting Microlocs, I encourage you to just go for it because they are so cute. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I plan to do an update video every couple of months. I wanted to do the 1 month one specifically just because it's like the start of my Microlocs journey, but my next one probably might be 3 months, or I might do like a specific video on how I wash my hair, maybe something more specific like that. But stay tuned. I'm really excited about this Microlocs journey, and if you haven't already, I need you to go back and watch my very first video when I first got them. I'm gonna drop the link here. Probably drop a photo here too so you can see what my locks look like when I first got them. They definitely weren't like curly. They were more straight, which I'm kind of interested to see what my hair looks like when it's more straight. Yeah, this is the current state of my locks. I love them. They look cute. They're very easy to manage. I hope that you are inspired to get locks. Drop a comment below. Let me know. Do you have micro locks, or are you thinking about getting them? What questions do you have about locks that I can answer in my next video?